Hey guys, we are doing the Monster Truck playoffs. So first up, we have Bone Shaker versus Bad Boy. Let me showcase them. This is Bone Shaker, and this is Bad Boy. Pick who you want to win. Three, two, one, go! Bone Shaker went on the better, so I think he won. Yay! Woo! You rescued Bone Shaker! Yeah!
I'll look for his arrows every day. Like if he got lost or flew.
Captain, are you singing for the performance while I'm getting everything ready?
What?
I was singing for the performance to keep it entertained.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
But then I was just feeling stupid. All the way he made her listen to him. With Cupid is so dumb. I look for his arrows every day. Like if he got lost or flew.
Okay, next up we have Shark Attack versus Daddy Shark. Shark Attack and Daddy Shark.
Like if he got lost or flew. We know we run every day. Loving his good as a
3, 2, 1, go!
Shark attack!
Da-da-da.
I love to sing when I get older, but it's never wiser. New nights become my afternoon. I still not the devices and devices that come with Christ.
We never put these guys on the playoffs.
I did. Oh.
Well, oh well.
Sorry about that, guys.
It's Zombie versus Green Goblin.
Okay, then I need you to
Okay.
just hold it steady and look at just point it down and try to always look at it. Goblin versus what? Gravedigger?
Zombie.
Zombie. B. Okay. Although
Here's Green Goblin. Here's Zombie. 3, 2, 1. They're off.
Dun, 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 zombie. It's hard holding the camera and doing this. Nope, good enough.
Okay, next up, we have Earthshaker versus Gravedigger.
Dun, 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 dun. Don't pay attention to the old lady in the background.
Yeah, she's just my grandma. Don't pay attention to her. Go! Oh, that's hot. I think it's Gravedigger.
I think that's Earthshaker.
Oh.
Let's do a foot count.
Yeah, we'll do it now.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
It is Earthshaker.
Told ya.
But by half the truck, though. Good effort, Gravedigger, but you didn't make it. Earthshaker. Okay, we have El Toro Loco versus Fire Truck. Three, two, one. Oh wow! Boo! I think that El Toro Loco will win, but no. Okay. Okay, we have Chewbacca versus Roger.
Okay.
And like the video if her name is Roger, like this truck's name. I just named it Roger. Roger, are you ready? Chewbacca, you ready? And here they go.
Chewbacca.
Sorry to all the Rogers in the world. Roger's got smells like Chewbacca. Let me say something. The winner of this race, Fire Truck versus Chewbacca, moves on to the final. The winner of these two go to a semifinal. Okay, so first up we have Bone Shaker versus Shark Attack.
All the way you make me feel is always with me. You feel so dumb.
Oh wow! Again under pressure.
Oh, I see him.
Did he go all the way to the other side?
Yeah, he went somewhere behind here. Wait, what is that?
What is what?
Nothing. Here, hold the camera. Okay. Hold it nice and steady. What's behind it?
Oh, it's just part of the course.
You weren't holding it up.
Oh. Let me try to get through here. Point it at me. Oh, that's something.
I heard the same
Where
when
is-
I get older, but it's never wiser. Midnight become my afternoons.
Clap your hands. We rescued him. We have Earthshaker versus Zombie. And Zombie could do a cool talent. Alright, Zombie was Earthshaker. Three, two, one. Okay, we have Fire Truck versus Chewbacca up next. Winner gets to straight to the final.
I think it's Fire Truck.
Let me see.
Fire Truck.
Yeah, Fire Truck. Chewbacca knocked out Roger, but he can't knock out Fire Truck. Okay. We have the Battle of the Shakers. We have Bone Shaker or Earth Shaker.
And when he loves and her love and she uptown girl.
Look, your wins. It's on the fun.
Braided word. She's never had a backstreet guy. I bet her mama never told her why. I thought I'd try. Hey, look at this new glow in the dark park.
Where is it? I need to play that sometime soon.
Me too. I've been asked. I heard it on the radio and I was like, Dad, we have to go there.
So for the final, we will have best out of 3. And we will have, and since it's one cardboard truck, we will use the wheel. Dun dun dun! Doo doo!
If you got that for Christmas, make sure to like and subscribe.
And if you also got this for Christmas, let me get his hair. See how this more
He has
fun.
hair too.
He has hair.
I gotta try.
Hair is ugly on the inside, but kind of cool on the outside. So I'm gonna put this on. Head. Okay, I think that's why we got this boy for Christmas.
And when you pop his nose out, yeah, you can see his brain.
Yeah. Rah! So let me explain how it's gonna work. So these trucks are gonna go off this ramp. Let me make sure this ramp. And they're gonna try to. If they land in here, it's an instant win for whoever does it. But if they don't make it, and the one who goes farther wins that round. It's gonna be 2 or 3 rounds, depending on how it goes. Catherine, if you want to make
Yes.
the tracks go back, I'll hold the thing.
Wait, I think I can do it by holding this.
There we go.
Yes. Okay.
His Patrick with his ladder.
You might want to straighten that out.
Oh yeah, probably do.
Not that close.
No, I'm gonna make it closer.
Oh.
I'm gonna make it close. I'm gonna need to make sure it's even. So I didn't know.
I gotta try.
3, 2. Patrick wins round 1.
Oh, please. Yeah, you hold it. Make sure to point the camera at me. Not at the Ricardo.
You need me to hold the camera?
Yes, please. Not at the floor. Do it.
I'll make sure it's even. Three, 2, 1, go!
Ooh, Ryder Track wins the finals.
And now we'll have him perform.
Da-da-da.
Like the video if you wanted me to win all along.
One minute, and I have a special word for all of us. Like and subscribe if you like Taylor Swift. If you like Taylor Swift and you're a Swiftie.